guys, how are you? Hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm in Birmingham. Here you can see Birmingham Canals, and I came here for walk, and I'm fasting today. It's second Ramadan today, and the weather is very nice, so that's why I decided to come outside for walk. So yeah, stay with me. I'm going to show you this area today. This area is actually is Kings Norton, which is in Birmingham. So there is another bridge, and if we keep walking this way, we can arrive to Birmingham city center in like 15-20 minutes. There are some people who are living here. If you can see, some people are sitting there, and also there was another ship. Some people were cooking there inside, so they are staying here. They have kitchens, they have bedroom inside these boats. Weather is very nice today. You can see there are so many people who are running by this canal. It's very nice track. You can come for walk and you can come for running as well, and it's lovely, to be honest. There is a Cadbury factory on my right side. If you can see, it's written there Cadbury, which is in Birmingham, and it's just on my right side. There are some people who are living here, and you can see their gardens are just by the canal, and to be honest, it's very nice. This weather is very nice today, and I can see some people are sitting. There is a person who is sitting in his garden by the canal. It's a beautiful house there and a beautiful garden. So I'm going back now. It was very nice walk by the canal, and houses are very nice here. You can see their gardens are just on the canal, and to be honest, it's very beautiful place. If you walk further this way, we can go to city center, but I'm not going there today. I'll do that another day. But yeah, it was very interesting. There is a train station as well on my right side, which is called Bonville, and there is a Cadbury, I think it's on my right side as well. And there are very nice houses, to be honest. I really love this place. I came here first time and I really loved it, and I'm going to come back again. It's very nice weather today. I'm fasting as well, and yeah, it's beautiful. Some wings from here, you can see, and I'm going back to London now, and I'm going to take my train, but I'll break my fast in like 1.5 hours, so that's why I bought my food and I'm gonna eat.